What's up, guys? Today's going to be a quick video, just a small little rant about the reality of what it's actually like to run a multi seven figure go high level SaaS agency or whatever we call this, right? So everything I'm about to tell you is not to discourage you or anything like that from like scaling to bigger numbers and so forth. It's just to give you guys a little bit more of a realistic view into like what it actually looks like to be at this level and the challenges that you're going to face. That being said, everything I'm going to talk to you about in the beginning, you're not even remotely going to have to worry about any of these things. So don't be afraid. Okay. In the beginning, it's all cruising and dandy and you're having a great time. Um, but yeah, the reality of like what we're kind of facing right now, because I know I make a lot of these videos which are like, oh, I make 200K a month, I make 250K a month, and I make it all seem so easy and so forth. But the reality is that it's not. Okay. Like, for example, to give you guys a bit of an idea of like what's been happening with our company lately, like, don't get me wrong, we're growing, we're reaching record months, like month after month. So far, we've done like $260,000 net this month, and there's still like 4 more days to go. But we've also got the highest churn that we've ever had, like, what is it, like 12 to 15%, which is fucking terrible, by the way, right? Because our customer success managers were overwhelmed. We don't have the correct systems. All right. Our Stripe all of a sudden shut down. Right. Imagine you've got a business and Stripe's just like, yo, we're gonna hold all your money until further notice. Okay, what? Right? So we fixed it, but these are like all types of things that you're dealing with that could literally shut your business down just like that. Just like, oh, there you go, it's over, right? Or another issue we're facing right now. Our text messaging doesn't work. Okay, and they shut it down. They destroyed our A2P campaign. So literally from one day to the next. Okay, go high level messages us. Hey, your A2P campaign is suspended. We have no idea what we did wrong. No clarification. Can't re-verify it. Whatever. I also have a fix coming, but like right now, for the last week, we literally cannot text our clients. We have like 600 of them, right? We can't text them. The only way we can communicate now is email. And if any of you have ever worked with a home service business, they're not emailing types of people. They're not the emailing people, you know? So like all of these issues that we're facing that are just huge shit shows, employees complaining, employees not performing, not being able to oversee everything. Like we have like 30 employees right now, right? And I manage basically all of this stuff. Like if we have my partner Kai and so forth. He's great. He's like a master marketer, basically, in all honesty. He runs all of that. I run like the day-to-day, the hiring, the company, the managing, all of that, right? So like we've got 30 employees. We've got like 13 or 14 CSMs right now. I have no fucking clue what's going wrong with the CSMs and why we have such high churn. Like I have an idea of it, but I don't have the actual stats. Like we've come to a point where we're trying to scale to like multiple millions of dollars a month, and our goal is to go to $1 million per month by like September next year, which I think is very possible, and we'll more than likely reach it, to be honest. But like, I have literally had to build a completely custom coded platform for my customer success managers as like a backend where we can track tasks, like how good customers are doing, if they're using our product, if they're, how many people are churning, why they're churning, blah, 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 blah. And this is not Go High Level that we're using. This is literally custom coded on my computer like a fucking nerd, having to make this shit. Super, super difficult stuff just because of the scale that we're basically at. And don't get me wrong, I love doing this stuff. It's super, super exciting. And every challenge that basically comes is just a new thing to overcome, and it's so fun to do. And that's kind of what I like. But it is such a shit show half the time. And it's just something that I kind of wanted to share with you and give you guys my thoughts on. Like I still remember most of them, maybe just giving you guys a bit of a breakdown so you also know what struggles you were going to face. Because until you get to like 250K a month, maybe like one or two people in watching this video will get there. I don't know. It really depends, right? But you're going to have problems as well, and you're going to look back at the problems that you have right now and you're going to be like, oh, I wish I had those problems right now. And that's exactly what we have right now, for example. And it's what happens at every stage of business, basically. So like right now, you may be like, oh my God, no one's picking up my cold calls. Like, oh, I'm doing cold SMS, but it's not working as well as I thought it would. You're going to crack that. You're going to figure it out. You're going to be persistent. And then you're going to be like, well, fuck, No one's showing up to my meetings. Why is no one showing up to my meetings? Okay, now they're showing up. Why is no one closing? Okay, cool. Well, why are these people leaving now all of a sudden after I've closed? So like at every stage of business, you have these types of problems, and it's what keeps it interesting and fun. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to share you like the real raw reality of like being an entrepreneur at a slightly higher level and so forth. I know no one else is really like documenting this stuff, so I figured it'd be kind of interesting to do it. Um, but yeah, this is a little bit of a look in on the day to day or the struggles that we basically face with our company. So if you find this valuable, please leave a comment. Let me know if you want more of these, like the raw reality of things. Otherwise, I'm gonna go back to making videos that are like how to make $200,000 a month in the next 5 days. No, I'm just kidding. But cheers.